back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an extremely satisfying kitchen deep clean. This has been well overdue. I've been avoiding cleaning my oven and giving it a good scrub down. It's definitely not my favorite chore, that's for sure. So today was the day to get up and get it done. I did a poll here on my YouTube channel and this video was the one that you guys wanted to see next. So here I am bringing you guys all the motivation to get up and tackle your kitchen with me, or you can just watch me do all of the work, whichever you prefer. If you guys are joining along for the first time, definitely smash that subscribe button on your way out. I would love to have you join my family here. I do everything from cleaning motivation, planning, mommy lifestyle, and whatever else this crazy life throws at me. So I would love to have you guys join my family. All right, let's get right into this cleaning, you guys. It's definitely very satisfying.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat. Paradise is waiting and we bought the lead. Ooh, getting caught in the maze, there's so many that never get out of. They're feeding the fears and the doubts. Ooh, but we're golden, we run to the end.
The first area I'm going to go ahead and tackle is these grease catchers. As you can see, they are absolutely disgusting. So what I did here was just fill up a sink of hot soapy water and I just added in some vinegar and I let it soak in there. This has pretty much been the way I clean these. I haven't done it in a while. I'm giving you guys the real honest truth. Again, like I said, I hate deep cleaning my stove and oven. It's not something I wake up and think about every day. So it's definitely what I do when I ever get the motivation to do it. So this is what has been working for me to go ahead and get those scrubbed out.
We're from a different time, yeah, we're of a different breed. Cause what we got is timeless, we supersede. And we hold
I have the burners soaking in the vinegar and dish soap water while I go ahead and spray down these burner drip pans, I won't think they're called. I am going to go ahead and just spray that method heavy degreaser on there and let it soak. I will say this solely didn't get it off by itself, so at the end I do go back in and I let some Barkeeper's Friend sit and soak on it, and if it is too bad, I change these out every so often. It just depends on how bad they get. Since they're really not that expensive, it's only about $10 for all 4 of these. But when I do clean them, I try to clean them the best that I can. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and remove all of the knobs off because these get pretty, icky from grease splatters and just cooking and all of that. And you guys can see that embarrassing, the gross, yes, it's nasty. So I sprayed some of this method heavy degreaser all along the stove and down where the burners were and along where the knobs were. I will say that this heavy duty degreaser didn't get the job done for how bad this task was because again, I haven't cleaned this for a while. No shame, don't judge me. So I had to come in with something stronger to definitely get this burned ickiness off of there.
I know you've been down thinking about him again. I know that your heart's been broken. You should try and let it go and start being yourself. You can put on your dress, we can play your favorite song, and I will take care.
This is where the transformation is about to happen. I'm using a spoon to go ahead and scoop up all of that caked on nasty grease and just ickiness from cooking. This is embarrassing, you guys, but this is real life. I know I'm not the only person that hates doing this. So I'm using the spoon to scoop it out, and then I'm gonna go in with something stronger. I was sent this product by Super Clean. They sent me some products to try out, so I decided I was gonna test it out on here because pretty much this Super Clean, they're good for saying that they clean all of the tough messes. And it did say to dilute this, but since it was such a burnt on mess, they said that I could go ahead and spray it on directly. Now you could also use this product to clean in your car, other places within your home, like your bathroom, tiles. They have a wheel cleaner, a whole bunch of different things. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this stuff down, scrub it out with a Scotch pad, and then I rinse it off with water. So this was kind of just multiple times of doing this. All in all, I let it sit on there for a couple minutes, and then I just scrubbed away, and then the magic literally happened. It literally just came off.
Maybe you should go work that body. You should go work that body. The body won't stop till we're great and old. Maybe for a second we can lose control. You should go work that body.
I didn't realize that I wasn't filming when I was scrubbing off my baking soda and vinegar mix. So what I did, I just sprinkled down some baking soda, sprayed it with vinegar water, and I let it sit overnight. So I'm sorry you guys didn't get to see what my stove looked like before, but let's just, needless to say, look at my burners and you can imagine what my stove looked like. So I'm just going back in with the vinegar and water spray and spraying over to just get the rest of the residue off, because the baking soda, it can leave a residue. So when you guys do use it, just make sure that you're wiping it down thoroughly so you don't have any of that excess residue sitting on your oven.
And you also feel what's going on. I get jealous, I get down, run into the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want it. Talk about it. Diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it. Gotta know they want 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 it. Talk about it. Talk about it.
Another area I wanted to focus on was underneath my stove, along the outside of it here. This is where a lot of dirt and grime just gets caught from sweeping and mopping that I can't reach. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a butter knife and scrape all of that out. And then I also did that over in the corner by the cabinets next to the stove on each side, because it had quite a buildup going on there and it was pretty nasty. So I like to do this every so often and just get it all scraped out and wiped out.
Talk about it. Gotta know they want 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 it. When I'm down, you pick me up. You and me, we shiny dust, and we won't ever get enough. They don't know, they don't know. In your eyes I put my trust. Babe, you're my all-time favorite drug. Let
them keep talking about us, 'cause they don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. We gon' ride until the sunset, just you and me. We gon' sing along to our songs at the top of our lungs. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. The movies, the movies. We gon' do it like they do in the movies. Good as gold, got this on lock, and they can't ever make us stop it. Come take my hand, get on this rocket. They don't know, we'll never know. When the rain hits hard on my window, when the night's too dark, you're my hero. When our troubles come, we can lay low. Say it like we're never gonna leave. We gon' do it like they do in the. Forgot that feeling, the sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canal, so the mindset I needed. Yeah, I needed. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you create that feeling, the sun on your skin, as great as breathing, filling the spaces within. Running around, are we there yet? Music is not where we all met. Just you and I. Oh, let's freeze time, gather around, watch the sun go down. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you let's freeze time. Oh, in summertime, soaking up the sun, cruising around in this crazy town. Oh, just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and I. Just you and I. Your face in the crowd, I never thought that I would see you tonight. We lock eyes and you smile, every single memory comes back to life. Your lips pressed against mine after a night out. We got drunk and ended up at your place. From the moment that I saw you, I knew that it was the bet that you.
I hope you guys enjoyed coming along and getting some kitchen deep cleaning and motivation. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you're joining along for the first time. I would love to have you here. I hope all of you guys have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.